Today we're test driving the all-new MINI Countryman SE PHEV, which is the plug-in hybrid version of the MINI Countryman, and we're going to do a fuel economy test to see how well it performs. This is the all-4 model, featuring an all-wheel drive system. Before we start this video, I wanted to mention that you can check out our reviews on other plug-in hybrids, such as the Toyota Prius Prime, the RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid, the Honda Clarity, the BMW 330e, and the Mitsubishi Outlander. We also have reviews on dozens of hybrid and electric vehicles. Although this is a plug-in hybrid, we're going to be doing a fuel economy test. That means that we'll be driving with the battery completely depleted. This test is great for those who want to know how fuel efficient the MINI Countryman is with a depleted battery. On the top right, you'll notice that our fuel range is 448 kilometers. On this screen, you'll notice that we've just reset our trip meter, which is why it reads null. We're going to be doing this test over the week and see how many kilometers we complete. And after that, we'll head to the gas station to see how much it costs to fill up, so stay tuned. We just spent the week testing the MINI Countryman SE, and we have some numbers we would like to share with you. As I mentioned, we were driving in hybrid mode the whole time, using the gasoline engine. We were driving with no charge in the battery, and using the car strictly as a hybrid. On the top, you'll see that we have a remaining fuel range of 214 kilometers, and we've used up approximately half of our tank. Over here, you'll notice that we've completed 266 kilometers of driving, and achieved fuel economy of 7.3 liters per 100 kilometers. My driving conditions have been pretty basic. I haven't had the air conditioning or the heating on at all, but I have had sound system on the whole time. Also worth mentioning is I did around 60% of my driving in the city and 40% on the highway, just to give you an idea of how I got the numbers that I did. You'll notice we're at the fuel station right now, and we're going to fill back up. And based on that, we'll do some calculations to get a better idea of how much you can actually expect to spend on a full tank of fuel, as well as your actual fuel economy based on my driving. As you can see, we spent $33.44 to fill up 17.6 liters of fuel at a mid-grade fuel cost of $1.899 per liter. The minimum octane on the Mini Cooper is 89. We spent $33.44 to fill up 17.6 liters of fuel at a fuel cost of $1.899 per liter. Also worth noting is the Countryman SE's fuel tank capacity is 36 liters. First, let's calculate our kilometers per liter number, and we'll do that by taking the 266 kilometers of driving that we did and dividing it by the 17.6 liters of fuel that we filled up. So 266 kilometers divided by 17.6 liters gives us 15 kilometers per liter, or 35 miles per gallon. That means on every liter of fuel, you can expect 15 kilometers of driving, and on every gallon of fuel, you can expect 35 miles of driving. Now let's calculate our actual fuel range based on my driving. We'll do that by taking the 15 kilometers per liter number that we achieved and multiplying it by 36 liters, which is the fuel tank capacity of the Countryman SE. So 15 kilometers per liter multiplied by 36 liters gives us 540 kilometers, or 336 miles. That means on a full tank of fuel, based on my driving, you can expect 540 kilometers of driving. Now let's calculate our cost per kilometer. We'll do that by taking the $33.44 that we filled up for and dividing it by the 266 kilometers of driving that we did. So $33.44 divided by 266 kilometers gives us 0.125 per kilometer. That means every kilometer of driving, based on our local fuel rate, costs us 0.125 per kilometer. Now let's calculate the cost of a full tank of fuel. First, let's do for Toronto, Canada, where the local fuel price is $1.899 per liter. For a more accurate estimate of how much you can expect to spend, multiply by your local fuel rate. So $1.899 per liter, multiplied by the fuel tank capacity, which is 36 liters, gives us $68.36 Canadian. That means a full tank of fuel, if you were to fill up in Toronto, Canada, would cost you $68.36. Now let's cross the border into Detroit, USA, where the fuel price is $3 per gallon. So $3 per gallon, multiplied by the fuel tank capacity, which is 9.5 gallons, gives us $28.50 US. That means a full tank of fuel, if you were to fill up in Detroit, USA, would cost you $28.50. Overall, the Countryman SE provides a decent electric range of 24 kilometers, which is sufficient for daily commutes. Despite it being an all-wheel drive SUV, the hybrid system is efficient enough to provide decent fuel economy that's comparable to other plug-in hybrid vehicles in its class. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our channel for more great fuel economy content. You can also watch our fuel economy reviews on other plug-in hybrids, such as the Toyota Prius Prime, the Honda Clarity, the BMW 330e, and the Mitsubishi Outlander. We also have reviews on dozens of hybrid and electric vehicles.